Hello, tech aficionados and smart home enthusiasts. Welcome to our deep dive into the new Amazon Echo Pop review. This isn't just a gadget, it's a leap towards the future of voice-controlled smart homes. Prepare to be wowed. Echo Pop design and aesthetics. When it comes to blending form and function, the Echo Pop is in a league of its own. With its fabric exterior, not only does it offer enhanced acoustics, but it radiates elegance and sophistication. Whether it's the heart of your living room or the centerpiece of your office desk, its subtle design ensures it fits anywhere. And that LED light ring? It now pulsates with more colors, signaling notifications, calls, and alerts in a vivid dance of hues. Unparalleled audio quality. The Echo Pop doesn't just play sound, it breathes life into it. Dive into the audio specifics. Now, let's explore how the Echo Pop enhances your listening experience in more detail. Number 1. Customized equalizer settings. Whether you're into booming bass, clear mids, or sharp trebles, Echo Pop lets you tweak to perfection. Number 2. Automatic sound adaptation. It's intuitive. Depending on where you place it, Echo Pop gauges room acoustics and ambient noise, tweaking its playback for optimal clarity. Integration and compatibility. With Echo Pop, the term well-connected takes on a whole new meaning. Consider these standout features that illustrate just how interconnected and versatile the Echo Pop truly is. Number 1. Multi-room playback. Hosting a party? Sync multiple Echo devices and let the music flow seamlessly from room to room. Number 2. Third-party integrations. The Echo Pop isn't choosy. Whether it's streaming from Spotify, playing songs from Apple Music, or controlling your Philips Hue lights, it's all about harmony. Benefits of Echo Pop. Think of Echo Pop as your personal assistant, but even better as it has the following benefits. Firstly, daily briefings. Rise and shine with tailored weather updates, crisp news summaries, and real-time traffic reports. Secondly, voice shopping. The future is here. Ask Alexa, and before you know it, your Amazon cart is filled, and orders are placed without lifting a finger. Thirdly, safety features. Feeling secure has never been this easy. With Alexa Guard, Echo Pop becomes your vigilant protector, listening out for potential hazards. Installation and setup. Getting started with Echo Pop? It's a breeze. Here's how Echo Pop ensures that your setup process is smooth, personalized, and hassle-free. Number 1. Guided setup. The intuitive Alexa app guides you step by step. From connecting to Wi-Fi to syncing with other devices, you're always in the know. Number 2. Custom wake words. Maybe Alexa isn't your style. No problem. Personalize your wake word for that extra touch. Number 3. Connectivity alerts. If the Echo Pop ever loses connection or faces any hitches, it keeps you in the loop, ensuring smooth operations. Echo Pop Bundle. Elevate your experience. Enhance your Echo Pop journey with the Echo Pop Bundle. It includes the following accessories, which are designed to maximize convenience and functionality. Number 1. Charging stand. A sleek glacier white stand with USB-C and USB-A charging ports. Not just a resting place for your Echo Pop, but a charging hub for your devices. Number 2. Easy assembly. Place your Echo Pop on the stand, connect the jumper cable, and you're golden. No toolkits, no hassle. Added accessories and products. Want more? Dive into Amazon's vast smart ecosystem. Number 1. Echo Sub. Crave deep, immersive bass? This is your go-to. Number 2. Echo Flex. Ideal for those nooks and crannies, hallways, corridors, or utility spaces. Number 3. Voice Remote. Sometimes you just don't want to speak. Control Echo devices with this handy remote. Now, let's dive into each with more details. Number 1. Echo Sub. Echo Sub is more than just a speaker, it's an audio experience. Dive deep into immersive soundscapes with its dynamic audio. It's designed to pair seamlessly with your Echo devices, enhancing the audio depth and delivering rich bass. Simple setup. Just plug it in, open the Alexa app, and wirelessly connect to your Echo device to control music with your voice. Sleek design. The cylindrical design, wrapped in a fabric mesh, complements the aesthetic of your home. Adjustable settings. Customize your listening experience. Adjust the bass intensity right from the Alexa app. Number 2. Echo Flex. Echo Flex is Amazon's answer to those spaces that need a touch of smartness. Compact genius. Small in size but vast in potential. Get Alexa's assistance even in those tight spaces. Built-in USB port. Not just a smart device, but also a handy charger for your gadgets. Versatility. Perfect for hallways, bathrooms, or even the garage. It ensures Alexa's presence is felt everywhere. Third-party accessories compatible. You can enhance the Echo Flex with night lights, motion sensors, and more. Number 3. Voice remote. Sometimes silence is golden, and for those moments, the voice remote is your go-to. Quick access buttons. It comes equipped with buttons to control volume, mute, play, pause, and even a button to activate Alexa. Voice control. Yes, it's a voice remote. Just hold down the microphone button and command Alexa. Compatibility. It seamlessly works with a range of Echo devices. Sync it and control them all. Extended range. Don't worry about pointing directly at the device. Its enhanced range ensures your commands are always heard. With these accessories in your arsenal, your Amazon Echo Pop experience is bound to be comprehensive, offering a blend of convenience, quality, and control. Embrace the future and let the smart revolution begin. Conclusion of our new Amazon Echo Pop review. After this extensive new Amazon Echo Pop review, one thing is clear: it's revolutionizing the smart home experience. More than just a device, the Echo Pop stands as a beacon for the future, a home assistant that aims to enhance every facet of your daily life. If you're as excited as we are, dive deep into the smart home universe with Amazon Echo Pop and reshape your world. Bonus product. But before we end this video, let's show the following great product. Echo Studio with Echo Sub. Experience premium sound like never before. As a token of our appreciation for your trust in the Echo family, we're thrilled to introduce the Echo Studio bundled with Echo Sub. This dynamic duo is designed for audiophiles seeking unmatched sound quality and an immersive listening experience. Unleash unparalleled sound with the Echo Studio bundled with the Echo Sub. Designed meticulously for audiophiles, this combination offers a soundscape that is rich, expansive, and detailed. Dynamic sound. Feel the music's heartbeat with the down-firing 100-watt bass from the 6-inch woofer in the Echo Sub. When paired with Echo Studio's 5 strategically positioned speakers, you experience music as the artist intended, room-filling, immersive, and expansive. All the detailed features, specifications, and descriptions for the Echo Studio with Echo Sub as provided in the earlier sections. With the addition of Echo Studio with Echo Sub as a bonus product, you're not just investing in devices, but an entire ecosystem designed for unparalleled sound experiences. Whether it's the Echo Pop, Echo Flex, voice remote, or the premium Echo Studio with Echo Sub, Amazon's smart ecosystem ensures quality, convenience, and control in every note. Stay tuned for more tech updates, and thank you for joining us today. We eagerly await your feedback and experiences with this stellar product. Until next time, stay smart and stay connected.